don't even know why is there stuff on my screen? Whatever. All right, here we go. So law of cosine, A, B, C. It's easy as that. Here we go. Okay, so if you have the situation side, 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 or side, angle, side, the law of sines won't work out for you because you have nothing to compare it to. So in that case, you would use the law of cosines. It's really simple. A, B, and C are the sides, and then that across from the side that you're looking for, or vice versa. So if you have the angle, then you're probably looking for the side across it for the law of cosines. Does that look familiar? Has there never seen this before? Never, ever, and for never? Okay, here's how you remember it. You know how a squared plus b squared equals c squared? It's the same stuff. It's just a squared equals b squared plus c squared, and then it goes minus 2bc, and then cosine a. So basically, the side across from the angle are the two things that you end with, or the two endpoints of it. Yeah, and then the middle is just the other two sides. It's true? Okay. All right. Get those calculators warmed up if you haven't already. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Let's draw a picture. All right. A, B, C. Let's call this 60 for fun. This is 20 and this is 30. Yay? Okay. Might I suggest? Well, we don't know. I'm not sure where I put this. Here we go. We'll just save this off to the side for a little bit. Easiest thing to find. We're looking for the smallest side right here, which is A. Right? So you set it up where you're solving for this thing. So it goes A squared, right, is equal to B squared plus C squared. So 20 squared plus 30 squared minus 2bc, so 20 times 30, and watch it, I always mess this one up. It's not sine, we're doing cosine. You're done with sine. Oh my goodness, sine's my language. Here we go. 60. Thank you. All right. Yeah. Okay. So. Moving forward. Here we go. Yeah. P.S. The law of cosine explains why you can't buy a car yet. Cosine. Nope. Was that dragging it? I was like, woo, stretching. Okay, here we go. You literally typed this into your calculator. What did you get? Oh! Wait. Well, I mean, before you square root it, or you want to square root it, that's fine. It actually turns out to be a lovely number, because isn't cosine is 60 like a half? So, yeah. Yeah. Did you get 700? Because I did. Is that right? Yeah. So that means A is the square root of 700, which is about 26.46. That's good. That's good.
I'd say it's about 26.45.
Yeah. Ish. Okay, so there's one. Yay. If you leave it as the square root of 700, I might be mad. 10 or 7? That's not bad either. What's up? No. Yeah, because now that we know that this is 26.46, and now it's not sine. Yeah. Okay, so this is the first thing we found. All right. So second thing. So now that we have an A, now that we have a side across from an angle, let's just do law of sines. Yay! Let's go in order. So the next thing would be B. Yeah, I like to put that at the top just because it's the one we're looking for. So sine B is to 20 as sine 60 is to 26.46. Joy. Yeah. Did I just find the smallest angle? Yeah, that's right.
Does it matter?
No, but I didn't know that was gonna be 26.6. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So like that didn't make any sense to me. This is like Miss B and Miss Metter's notes, and I'm like I don't know why. Okay. All right. Yay. Yeah. So to find B, and I'm gonna do this a couple times. You just second sign all of that, right? I'm not even gonna write it out now. No. Talk to me. Hey. Yeah, 40.89 degrees. Okay. 1, 2, 3. How do we find C? Here it is. It's so easy. Ah! When do you have to check for? Yes. Yes, because those are the panes in the angle side. Okay.
Wait, so.
Yes. This is always just one triangle. Well, sometimes you won't, because this only works for side, angle, side. So, right? Because angle, side. You can't. No, it's actually side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Right?
Never mind.
Do we have an answer? What is it? Oh, good. 79.11 degrees. That's 3 things. Check, check, check. Degrees. Degree. You don't like my Nevada accent. Okay. Yes. I'm a West Coast girl. Yeah. How you doing, Chandler? This good? Yeah? Okay. All right. Here we go. Last case, and then we're going to find the area. Okay? Side. I mean, you could find the obtuse angle first, but I mean, whatever. No. I really don't think that matters, so I'm just going to ignore that. Here we go. A, B, C. 6, 9, 4. All right, here we go. Yeah? It's true? Do you want to find the obtuse angle first? You can. Sure.
Just to have a set marker.
Sure. What's the obtuse angle? It would be B. It would be B. Okay. So it's going to go B squared. So 9 squared is equal to, yeah, plus 4 squared minus 2, 6 times 4. Bang. All right. Okay, here's where we get it calculator ready. Okay, we're going to get it calculator ready. Here we go. To solve this out, don't you agree that you have to subtract this, and divide by all this, right? So it's going to be 9 squared minus 6 squared minus 4 squared over negative 2 times 6 times 4 is how you would get the cosine of B, right? So B would just be the inverse cosine of all of that. Yay? Okay. Oh, because to get the cosine by itself, you move the 6, you move the 4, subtraction, but you have to divide this, right? Okay, do you have your calculator? Yeah, your yellow pretty one. If you don't have the yellow pretty one, it's okay. You can still do it with parentheses. It's not a big deal. But did you know that there's a fraction button on there? Yeah, so you know how to set up with the fractions? Alpha y equals, then you set up with a fraction. So I would make sure, first of all, your mode is in degrees. Nope. There you go. Enter. Second quit. Yeah, if you go alpha, oh, sorry, no, bad. Here we go. Second cosine, and then alpha y equals. You could literally type in the whole fraction as you see it. I know. Calculator ready, right? Yeah. Okay. So now that we know it's calculator ready and just type all that stuff in, good times. B is Woo! 127.2. You just gonna go to 2? Fine. Here we go. Skip it. 0.17. 0.17. Whatever. Now. So now there's 1. Right? Okay. So if we're gonna stick to that, that's how many sig figs we're gonna stick to. So this is 127.2. Now what?
No.
You can. What's the smallest one? C. Okay. So is messing up the order. I know. Here we go. What would you use to find that one? Sines. Good. So sine C is to 4 has sine of 127.2. Sorry about that. Is to 9. Okay. Sine C is equal to 4 times sine 127.2 over 9. So C is the inverse sine of all that. Yay! It's what? It is 20.7. Yeah. It's 0.74 if that was a 1.7, I think. 0.7-ish. Whatever. 20.7. Sweet. Okay. Which means... there it is. Oh, go away. There you go. Okay. There you go. Which means that A is 180 minus 127.2 minus 20.7, which is... I like it a lot. Sure, Mason. You make our life so much easier. Muy bueno. Okay. Yes.
Cosines again.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's slightly off.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's okay. Yeah. Well, it wouldn't let you do it.
Yeah, it's like when you're trying to cosine something, it has to be below.
Oh, inverse cosine. You did law of sines again?
I just wanted to see if I could.
You can't. There might be a little calculation error. There shouldn't be a reason why you can't use law of cosine twice, because it is a triangle,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Yeah. I'll take a look at it.
Oh, yeah. Why do oysters climb trees?
All right. What's up?
Why do oysters build need to climb trees?
Because they want to go to high school. All right. Moving forward. Here we go. Okay. All right. So let me tell you the story of Grandpa Sam, right? My Grandpa Sam was selling his property in Nebraska, Omaha, Nebraska, home of Warren Buffett, right? Billionaire. Anyhow, his property was actually the shape of a triangle, but it wasn't a right triangle. It was kind of a regular looking triangle. And he needed me to find the area of his property, given just the sides of his triangle, to figure out if his assessment was correct. And so to do that, Herons. Yeah? So if you have side, if you just have all 3 sides of the triangle, right, Heron's formula will get you that area. The first thing you need to find, though, is the half of the perimeter, aka, it's called S because it's the semi-perimeter. Yeah. Right? So to find the perimeter, just add up all the sides and take half, and that's your semi-perimeter. So here's what you do. It's the square root of the semi-perimeter times the difference from the semi-perimeter of each side. No. Okay, so the semi-perimeter. Add up all the sides, take half. Right? Semi-perimeter. So the formula says the area is the square root of the product of the semi-perimeter times the difference of each side from the semi-perimeter. Right? So the semi-perimeter will always be bigger than all of the 3 sides. So you just find the difference from each side and multiply it all out. Easy day. Yeah.
Whatever happened to one half
No. You could do that and drop it and find the sine and cosine. But problem is, we don't have any angles. And half base times height only works if you know the height. We only know the sides. Right? So, yeah. This is how Heron decided to do it. Yeah, and it works. All right. So there we go. I don't care what A, B, and C are. Basically, you need to be able to know that, all you have, oh boy, that was wrong. Here we go. All you have are three sides, right? We don't know where to drop the height from. We have no angles to work with. Sad face. Yay. First step, Seth. I know. Did you find S? What is it? It is 26, right? If you take half, oh, sorry, you're adding all of those together. Sorry, plus, my bad. Here we go. Yeah, you're adding all of it together, then dividing by 2. Sorry, it is 26. Yay? Okay, so the area is equal to, woo, good times, 26 times, just going to go in order of height, so 26 minus 12, 26 minus 16, and 26 minus 24. Whoa, 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 whoa. That can go away. Nope, never mind. Don't even. Here we go. Right? So if you like to simplify, 26 minus 12 is 18, 14. There it is. 14 times 10 times 2. There it is. Yeah. And the answer is... What is it? 8, 3, 2, 3. How about 85 yards? Yeah, approximately 85 yards. If it wants to give it to you, decimal places, go ahead and do it. But yeah, so Grandpa Sam's house is approximately 85 square yards, times about 1,000 square yards. Just kidding. All right. It's good? Okay. All right, here we go. So, that assignment is numbers 1 through 10 and then 21, 28, all on the same page. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. And they all lived happily ever after. The end. 85.3 something. 32 something. Please.